There's no doctor out here. No worries, you've got Zip Stitch. Surgical quality wound closure you can take anywhere. The same technology used in hospitals nationwide. Zip Stitch creates a strong, consistent closure throughout the wound that is proven to leave less scarring than stitches. Now you can treat cuts professionally on the spot. So when you can't stitch it, zip it with Zip Stitch.
The Nimble is the world's first travel adapter to feature dual Type-C charging ports. Independently powered from the rest of the adapter, the QC and PD port ensures there is always enough wattage to power your larger devices. It's universally armed with adapters suitable for over 250 countries, supporting a wide range of devices. Nimble can safely transfer energy twice as fast from any socket on the planet. Nimble allows you to be safe and seamless wherever you go. It's lightweight and fun-sized. You won't even notice you have it with you until you need it the most. With Nimble, you can travel like a pro and charge like a local.
Hi, we are iBlockCube. We are so happy to finally announce our first Kickstarter project.
The Nimble has been in the making for over 1 year now, as we've been perfecting the way we travel, but also preparing for the future as more and more devices change from USB to Type-C. As you can see, the Apple iPad has already moved from Lightning to Type-C, and we can expect the Apple iPhone to do the same this September.
The Nimble was born from our frustration from visiting different places with only one power outlet and multiple gadgets to be charged.
I was particularly annoyed as I could not find a travel adapter with 2 Type-C ports that could handle the demand of more powerful devices such as my Mac and my Switch. That is why we created the Nimble to be the only charger you ever need to power everything from your laptop, your phone, and everything in between.
It has been an amazing journey so far, from designing to prototyping. We hope to continue to develop our idea to help you travel like a pro.
Please check out the pledges below, and thank you in advance for making all of this happen.
Thank you.
Have you ever lost, sat on, bought too many, spent too much, dropped or been frustrated when changing lenses on your glasses? We are Walt. With 10 years experience in the glasses industry, we have developed the experience and knowledge to create the glasses we've always wanted, that matches today's high expectations for a product that lasts. Unlike every other glasses company out there, we offer something unique. We offer a pair of versatile sunglasses that help make your everyday life easier. Today, we bring to you Looper, Scout, and Rover. With our classic Aviator, Round, and Wayfarer designs, our incredibly lightweight, flat, and minimal design is made of medical aluminium. This means that our weight doesn't compromise on the strength or design, and is also 100% recyclable. We have made our product foldable 2 ways to fit any size pocket, shirt pocket, trousers, purse, or wallet. With our collapsible design, our glasses fold to 5 by 2 centimeters. Interchangeable lenses have always been an issue with notoriously weak screws or awkward lens mechanisms. Our slick and toolless design gives you the freedom to change lenses on the go. Our lenses, which are polarized, UV blocking, ad blocking, and anti-blue light for the gamers and the editors out there. 1.65 million glasses are lost each year around the world, and are in the top 5 items lost every year. Which brings us to our last point. With every pair of Walt glasses, you get a Bluetooth tracked glasses case, so you'll never lose your glasses again. With our downloadable app, your glasses will always be within reach. Our glasses are on the perfect balance with fashion trends and progressive technology. We are on the forefront of what's possible in the glasses industry. Working, playing, and socializing are all elements we have brought together into what we believe is the perfect pair of sunglasses. Now we are releasing on Kickstarter because of our high development costs. We want to give you the opportunity to purchase our product at a healthy discounted rate, and with your support, we can take Walt to the next level.